How to delete your Depop account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily delete your Depop account safely. Before you delete your Depop account, first thing to do is make sure that you've completed or cancelled all open orders. Your balance is withdrawn, no active disputes or pending shipments exist in your account, and you've saved any info you may need later. After you make sure of these, you may proceed to delete your account. Now the next thing to do is to go ahead and open up your Depop app and tap on My Depop from the home page at the bottom right. And inside the My Depop page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you need to go ahead and click on Profile. Underneath Profile, you'll see a Delete Account button at the very bottom. Tap on it and then go ahead and enter your email address, your username, and then the reason for your deletion. Select why you are trying to delete your account, and then enter a clear description of your issue or request if available. Also make sure to include your username for your Depop account. If you've got any files or attachments you want to attach over here, go ahead and do it. If not, leave it as it is and finally click on Submit. After you click on the submit button, your request will be submitted, and your account deletion is not always instant. It can take a few days depending on support queue and account status. Once your account is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure that you are sure you'd like to delete your account first. So that is how you can easily proceed to delete your account on Depop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.